Hey guys, it's your girl Goldilocks here, and today we are continuing our struggle tree series, aka our mini tree series. So this is obviously going to be about our blue little tree. If you guys didn't watch already, I had a Dollar Tree haul. All of the items in this video were purchased at Dollar Tree, FYI. So if you want to check out that video, go right ahead. But this video is dedicated to this lovely tree. Look how pretty it is. It has built-in lights, it's battery operated, and it looks great. Man, there's not one ornament on it. Absolutely love it. So this is our first design we're going with. There's 3 different designs in this video. This first one is our silver tree. We're starting out by putting white lights on the tree. Now, like I said before, this tree has like a built-in twinkle, built-in lights, is battery operated, but I'm putting some additional lights on there just to make it sparkle even more. This here is some silver garland, and I love silver on a tree because it really beautifully like reflects like any light and gives it some extra shine. So this being like a silver blue tree, it's really going to twinkle. So there we go, we got our garland on. And after our garland, we're gonna move to our bulbs. We're using silver bulbs. The bulbs here like have different looks. Some have glitter on them, some are shiny, some have texture, some are kind of a matte finish. So they're gonna twinkle in their own little way. Now if you guys want to see the actual details of like what I used and like the whole process, please check out my struggles tree series. The link will be in the description if you want to check it out. But this is just like the quick and dirty version of like how I did these 3 trees. So yeah, so let's get to it. Now this one is finished, and we're just gonna put the lovely tree topper on top. We have a cute little Santa hat, and there we go. Boop. Ooh, look at the close-up. Oh my gosh, tell me that is not pretty. Silver blue twinkling Christmas tree. Absolutely love this tree. All right, so now we're moving on to the next one, which I'm sure we'll fall in love for a second time. This tree is going to be a white and gold tree. As you can see, I still have the lights on the tree before I'm putting on the white garland. Once again, those are white lights. In my previous video, I said you guys might have a problem with the green cord, but I think it works out fine as long as the tree's not white. But you know, again, if you're a stickler, you can use like white lights with a white cord to make it blend just a little bit better. Alright, so after we're done with our white garland, this is our gold bulbs. These bulbs are super shiny, so they catch the light really well and like give like a little twinkle. Like this look reminds me is like if you see a tree that's been snowed on, that's what this tree looks like. And we're gonna put a snowman on top of it to, you know, make the look pop. Ooh, so freaking cute. Little snowman, look at that. It's like it snowed in this tree and the bulbs are like a little glimmer of like starlight. To die for. Alright, this is the final tree that we're doing, and I love this look. This is my favorite tree for the blue trees. And instead of putting white lights on there, as you can see, I'm putting colored lights. And then with the color lights, I'm using this silver bronzish garland, which is like not a typical garland that you would see, which is why I picked it up. And as you can see, it's looking like a bowl of Fruit Loops. Like I absolutely love this look. This tree actually reminds me of like a bird of paradise. If you're familiar with the bird, it's lovely. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I really enjoyed making it. Please make sure that you like the video. That helps me and just, you know, gives me a nice warm fuzzy feelings in my tummy when you give me a like. And please subscribe to the channel because I want to show you more of these lovely designs. Look at that. Oh, love it. So pretty. Oh, it's a great job. Happy holidays, guys.